This V213 long wheelbase version of the E-Class has been tailor-made to cater to the needs of the Indian car buyers. The reason to buy an E-Class is its refinement, its smooth ride, its impeccable interiors, and an unbeatable rear seat experience, which is in a league of its own. The long wheelbase version that we get here in India not only looks regal, but the stretched body maximizes interior space. The distinct twin louver front grille, soft flowing curves, and the multi-spoke wheels add a touch of elegance to its design, and the soft closed rear doors add sophistication. It does fit the bill of a luxury limousine rather well. Like the flagship S-Class, the dashboard is horizontally oriented, centered around 4 small, elegant AC vents. And now it features a widescreen cockpit with two 12.3-inch screens side by side, one for the instrumentation and the other for the infotainment. The matte strip of wood, which curves across the middle of the dashboard and onto the doors, is tastefully executed, and all the materials used across the cabin feel very rich. The front seats are just what you'd expect, comfortable and very supportive, but the place to be in is the rear seat. Space on offer is a class apart, and what you get are these seats which recline up to 37 degrees to offer a truly business class-like experience. Also with the chauffeur package, I can move the front seat all the way forward. And free up oodles of leg space. What's also nice are these sunshades and these really soft pillows which invite you to doze off or simply gaze out of the panoramic sunroof. There are 2 diesels and 1 petrol engine on offer, all of which drive the rear wheels via a 9-speed automatic transmission. The E200 is a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol which makes 197 horsepower, and then there's the E220D, which is a 4-cylinder diesel engine making 194 horsepower. Both these engines are available in 2 variants, Expression and Exclusive. The E350D 6-cylinder 286 horsepower diesel engine is reserved for the Top-spec Elite variant. While these variants might differ in terms of certain convenience features, their fundamentals like mechanicals and safety bits remain unchanged. The E-Class range starts with the Expression variant, which is extremely well loaded. Now let's take a look at what each variant offers. 3-zone climate control, panoramic sunroof, 37 degrees reclining rear seats with memory, 64 ambient lighting options, active brake assist, 17-inch alloys, LED high-performance headlamps with 400 meters range, rain-sensing wipers and sunroof, driving modes, smartphone integration, 3D navigation, 5 paint options. What's more is that all variants are equipped with Mercedes Me Connect, where you can check the status of your car, remotely control the door locks, track your vehicle, and in case of an accident, it will alert emergency services via an onboard SIM card. The next variant in the lineup is the Exclusive. The additional features it gets are 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, Burmester surround sound, wireless phone charging for the rear, and a touchscreen controller pad through which rear passengers can control media, climate control, ambient lights, window blinds, etc. But if you want a truly luxurious experience, the range-topping E350D Elite variant is the one for you. For the money, not only do you get a silky smooth 6-cylinder diesel engine, you also get air suspension which cushions you from the road shocks, 18-inch alloys, 360-degree parking camera, automatic parallel parking, Plus, it also gets interior trims unique to this variant. The E-Class range is offered with a 3-year standard warranty extendable to the 6th year of ownership. Mercedes Benz also offers the Star Agility Plus. It's an innovative ownership solution with 40% lower EMIs, maintenance packages, extended warranty, assured buyback value, and easy upgrades. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class is a wonderful combination of old-world charm and new-age tech. But the real ace up its sleeve is its backseat experience, which is simply unparalleled. And if it's a comfortable and refined luxury sedan that you seek, the E-Class is the best there is.